Welcome friends. We are continuing from our previous tutorial of SQL injection. In our previous tutorial, I have explained you how our login system works. To learn SQL injection in depth, you must have the knowledge of SQL queries. Here is one, and if you don't know SQL queries, you can always go ahead and check our courses on MySQL, MS SQL and Oracle. Let's move forward. Now let me do a trick for you so that you will come to know what is SQL injection. Instead of giving a correct username, I am typing admin quote space 2 hyphens and space. And what this does is very interesting, which we will cover in just a few minutes. But for now, just remember that we have written our correct username quote space 2 hyphens and space, and in the place of password we can write down any password. Doesn't matter really that it is correct or incorrect. And let's click on login. Now this is something which should not happen. It says correct login, but the login is actually not correct because our password is wrong pass. So how this happened? You can see the actual SQL query is select count uname from users where uname is equal to admin. Now up to this our query works very fine, which checks the username is equal to admin or not. But what we have entered is this extra part. Now what this part does is it is actually completing this quote. So that means these both quotes are done. After a space we have entered 2 hyphen and then a space. 2 hyphen followed by space is interpreted as comment. So our SQL statement is actually this, and all this rest of the part is interpreted as comment. So our database doesn't really look at this, and it just check if the username is equal to admin or not. So in this way, if you know the correct username, you can log in into system without knowing the correct password. This is the example of our SQL injection, and if you search on internet, you'll find multiple ways of injecting such SQL commands into the login forms. In our next tutorial, we will learn how we can prevent from such SQL injections. Thank you.